Yeah. Speak with peace. We don't stop. We just flow. Present continuous tense. It's happening right now. Are you ready? Let's go! Listen to the rule, it's not a game. For actions right now, that's the name. The action is live, it hasn't stopped yet. Present continuous, the best you can get. You need the formula, keep it in your head. Subject plus helper, that's what I said is MRR. Then verb with ing, I am talking now. See what I mean? It's happening now. It's happening now. Yeah. It's happening now. Yeah. It's happening now. Present continuous. Right in this moment. The action's serious. I am learning. You are listening. We're in sync. We are using this tense every time we think. I am running late. Clock on the wall, she is cooking food, answering my call. They are studying hard, books on the floor. We are leveling up, aiming for more. Look at the picture, what's going on? He is driving fast, headlights on. Build every sentence like stacking a brick. Subject, helper, and that's the trick. It's happening now. Yeah, it's happening now. Yeah, it's happening now. Yeah, it's happening.